this video, I'm going to walk you through how to release your music on our streaming platform. So this video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to distribute your music to Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay, and the other streaming platforms. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So before you could actually distribute your music, you need to actually use a music distribution platform to distribute your music. So if you don't know what a music distribution platform is, a music distribution platform is a software or an app that actually distributes your music to Spotify, Boomplay, Tidal, and other streaming platforms. And there are various platforms you could actually use to distribute your music. We have DistroKey, we have TuneCore, Nation Digital, CD Baby, Tido, and a bunch of music distribution platform out there. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to distribute your music to all streaming platforms using Nation Digital Distribution, because it's actually the music distribution platform I use to distribute for myself, and I also use this platform to distribute for my artists. So the first thing you need to do now is to click on the first link in the video description. It'll take you straight to the website. You guys can see right here that Nation Digital is one of the easiest and the fastest way to get your music to Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, and YouTube Music. So if you have been following me here on my channel for a while, you know the one thing I always advise artists to do before picking or choosing any music distribution platform is to actually go through their pricing plan. So once we click on pricing right here, you can see right here that you could actually get started with their basic plan for just $12 right here. You could actually get started with a basic plan for just $12 a year, and you could actually distribute for one artist. You'll be able to release your music to over 250 plus streaming platform. You're also going to be getting 100% of your royalty. So right now you could see all the features you're going to be getting if you're going to be going with a basic plan. So you can see right here you're going to get access to YouTube content ID, free playlist pitching. They're also going to be giving you free UPC and ISLC code. You also have access to their daily streaming stats. They also have their label plan, which is about $40 a year. So basically you could actually distribute for multiple artists, and also you're also going to be keeping 100% of your royalty. So on this plan right here, you could actually distribute for almost 100 artists. And you can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting on the label plan. They also offer per release plan also. So you can see right here, if you know you would like to distribute an album, then you're actually going to be paying $8. So if you're going to be distributing a single, you're only going to be charged $5 to distribute a single. And basically you're going to be keeping 95% of your royalty, which I'll say is good, because no music distribution platform is going to be giving you this kind of offer. Because if you're actually going to be even checking CD Baby, which also offer per release option. So if you're going to be going with CD Baby actually charge $10 to distribute, and they're also going to be keeping 9% of your royalty. So that's just the difference between the two platforms. So what you need to do right now is actually pick any of these plans. Right now I'm actually on the label plan currently, because I'm actually distributing for multiple artists, because I'm an artist manager and I'm also a promoter. So always make sure you actually go with the plan you know you could afford. So once you actually click on the plan right here, it's going to take you straight to this page where they're going to ask you to actually create an account. So basically they're going to ask you to fill out your first name, your last name, your email address, your artist name, your label name, and also a password. So basically you could just fill out all this information. So once you're done filling out all the information, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So guys, before I actually proceed on how you could actually distribute your music, if you know you actually found any value from the video, please don't forget to give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, because my channel is all about educating artists on how to grow and various industry tips. So if you're someone that is interested in this, please don't forget to like the video, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So once you're done creating an account and you already picked a plan, this is how your artist dashboard is going to look like. So you can see right here there are various tools out here that you could actually use to your advantage. So you can see right here, this is the artist tool where you could actually claim your Spotify for artist account. You can also claim your Apple Music, your Audio Mac, and all of that right here. So you can see right here you can also reach out to their customer support. And one thing I love about Nation Digital Distribution is that they actually support WhatsApp chat. So basically if you know you want to chat them on a WhatsApp, you could actually reach out to them. And also right here you can also claim your YouTube for artist account. Right here you can also connect your Audio Mac, and also you can also distribute music video to Vivo, Apple Music, Tidal, and Facebook. Basically Nation Digital is a music distribution platform that actually distributes both audio and music video to all streaming platforms. So what you need to do right now is you just click on where it says upload your music right here. So once you actually click on where it says upload your music, it's going to take you straight to this page. Right here they're going to ask you for your email, so you need to actually put in your email. So I'm going to be inputting my email right now. Once you're done inputting your email, they're going to ask you to choose your release type. So I'm actually going to be clicking on single. So we're going to be distributing single through Nation Digital Distribution. So I'm going to click on next. So once I actually click on next, it's going to take you straight to the next page. So right here, they're going to ask you to actually upload your file. So your file must be in a WAV format. Just going to be uploading one of my files. So once you're done uploading your file right here, you're going to scroll down a bit. They're going to ask you to actually put in your song title. So I'm going to be putting in the song title, which is Love. So once you're done inputting your song title, they're going to ask you to upload your cover art, and you need to actually make sure that your cover art is in a PNG format, and also it must be by 3000 by 3000 pixels. I'm going to click on where it says upload file, and I'm going to be browsing through my file. So once you're done uploading your cover art, they're going to ask you to actually put in the language of your song, which is going to be English. So I'm going to be typing in English right here. So once you're done with that, they're going to ask you to actually select the version of your song. So basically you could actually distribute covers, remix, live, acoustic, but right now I'm going to be leaving it blank because I'm not distributing any of the song. So right now they're going to ask you to actually add in your primary artist name. So I'm going to be putting my primary artist name, which is AY Vibes. So once you're done with that, just scroll down a little bit, and they're going to be asking you if you already have an existing artist profile. So if you know you have one, you could click on yes, no, or they could actually create one for you. So I'm going to be clicking on yes right here. So once you are done with that, just scroll down a little bit. Right now they're going to be asking you to provide your Spotify username, or you could actually provide your Spotify artist profile. I'm going to be heading over to Spotify right now to copy my artist profile. So once you're done with that right here, it's going to take you straight to this page where you could actually add additional contributors. So basically, if you know you have a producer on the track, you could actually select this right here. You could actually select the person right here. Then you're going to be putting the person's name right here. So you need to enter the name of the producer that actually produced your song. Once you're done filling that right here, the next step is to actually select your genre. So you can see right here, there are various genres right here. So what you need to do is actually just look for your genre. So right now, I actually do Afrobeat. So I'm going to be selecting Afrobeat. Then my sub-genre should be Afro Soul right here. Then once you're done with that right here, just scroll down a little bit. So it's going to take you straight to this place where they're going to ask you to actually put in your record label name. So basically, if you know you have a record label, you can actually just put in the name here, or you could actually put in your artist name. But if you know you do not have a record label, you can actually just leave it blank. So right now I'm going to be putting in my record label name. So once you're done with that right here, they're going to ask you to actually select your copyright holder. Right now you could enter your artist name or your record label name as a copyright holder. So what I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to be entering my artist name, which is AY Vibes. So the next step right here is to actually put in your lyrics. So this is where you could actually provide the lyrics of your song. So once you're done with that, they're going to ask you to actually select if the song is an instrumental or it's just a normal song. So I'm going to be selecting no. So they're going to ask you if the song has been previously released. So you could actually select yes or no. So right now they're going to be asking you for your UPC code. So basically, if you know you're actually switching your song from one music distribution platform to Nation Digital, then it's advisable for you to actually put in the UPC code of the song right here, because if you do not put in the UPC code of the song, they're going to be creating a new UPC code for you automatically. So basically, since the song is a new one, I'm not going to be putting in any UPC code, so I'm going to be leaving the place blank. So what we are going to be doing right now, they're going to ask us to actually put in our songwriter names. Right now I'm going to be putting in the songwriter name. Once you're done filling out the necessary details, all you need to do is to just click on next. So once you actually click on next right here, it's going to take you straight to the next page. So basically, this is where you're going to be selecting the time zone of the song. So basically, if you want the song to be distributed locally, this is where you're going to select it. So if you know you want the song to be distributed globally, this is where you're going to be selecting that. So I'm going to be selecting global release time. So this is where you're actually going to be selecting your release date. So you need to actually select your release date. Basically, if you're going to be choosing a release date, it's actually advisable for you to actually schedule your release date a month ahead. So this is going to give you more advantage to be considered for playlist pitching and other promotional benefits. Right now I'm going to be selecting the release time right here. So I'm going to be putting it at 12 o'clock. So it's going to be 12 o'clock a.m. So once you're done with that, just scroll down a bit. So you can see right here, these are all the list of the stores that are going to be distributing your music to. So you can see right here, we have over 250 stores right here. So all you need to do is to actually just select all. So you could actually just scroll down to actually go through the stores right here. And one thing I love about Nation Digital is that they actually offer content ID. It does not matter what plan you are, you could actually get content ID assigned to your song. So once you're done with that, just click on next right here. So once you click on next right here, it's going to take you straight to the next page. So they're going to ask you to actually select if you have the 100% right to the song. So I'm going to click on yes. So I'm going to click on 100%. So once you're done with that, just click on submit. Asking us to verify we are not a robot. So let me quickly go through that. Once you're done with that, just click on submit right here. So once you click on submit right here, you can see right here that our request has been received and your music is going to be processed between 2 to 3 days. So basically, the approval is literally 2 to 3 days, which I'll say they are one of the fastest music distribution platform, as same as DistroKid. Basically, once you're done submitting your song for distribution, you're going to get a mail from Nation Digital Distribution. So basically, the mail is all about all the information of your songs. So you can actually just scroll through it to actually see if you actually made any mistakes. So if you actually did, you could actually make a correction to that. So guys, that's how you could actually upload your song to our streaming platform, and I hope this video was helpful to you. So if you know it did, please don't forget to give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So if you know you want me to walk you through how to distribute an album, so all you need to do right here is actually just go down to the comment section and actually type in drop the video. So if I see a lot of people commenting on that right here, I'm going to be creating a new video on how you could actually distribute an album using Nation Digital Distribution. So the link to this website is going to be in the video description. So if you know you want to learn more about music distribution, I'm going to advise you to actually check out the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.